Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your higher and best self. Have you ever started something but then didn't finish it? Have you ever got a great idea but then never followed through? Well, there's a reason for that. And the reason is the same for you and for me and for everybody. And once you know it, then you know how to tackle it and do something about it. So here's the thing. I've been talking to so many people lately, and they're coming to me and they have something they're calling imposter syndrome. And so they're trying to do something that's totally uncomfortable, totally out of their realm, totally inconceivable, and it's uncertain. It's unclear, it's uncertain, they can't see it. That's the key, by the way. They can't see it. They can't see it in their mind. They're asked questions, who am I? How can I do this? What will people think? Those kinds of questions start coming up. And what this comes down to is their own self-belief, their own self-worth, feeling good enough. And they don't have it because it's not clear in their mind. It's not relevant. So the issue is not with working harder, because you could work harder. I mean, you have to do things that you're not comfortable doing, granted. But the key is not just doing those things, because you could force yourself, you could do a behavior, you could do an act that's going to cause things to happen for you around you. If you have that kind of pig-headed discipline and determination, you could do it, but most people don't have that. They say, I want to do this, and then some reason comes up or the excuse comes in, and they let it get in the way. But that's something you can overcome, and you can overcome it easier than just pushing. Like saying, I'm going to trim off 5 or 10 or 15 pounds of fat. Well, that's going to take a lot of persistence, a lot of willpower, and a lot of motivation to even get started. It's the start that stops most people. If you didn't know that, check out your life. Think about it. Think about things you're doing and you've done in the past and you're doing right now. Are you stopping before you even start because you talk yourself out of it? So the solution to this problem is to change your beliefs. And the way that you change your beliefs is so easy, because you just need to create a new story in your mind. And there's a great system that you can use called mind movies, and you can create a mind movie that you can watch that is pictures or short videos of things that you like and want in your life and the experiences that you perceive having. You could do something like that. That is one way to do it. Another way is to actually go inside and access the part of your mind that's causing the problems in your life, and that will solve it permanently and definitely. So, and by the way, there's a great system called rapid transformational therapy. If this interests you, just message me and I'll shoot you a link and you can take a look at it. But it does access the part of your mind that is causing the problems, and then you solve it, and then you can change it with repetition so that it's permanent. So the whole thing about changing your perception and your beliefs comes from inside, not outside. You can do it from the outside. Very difficult to do. Some people can do it. Most people can't. But if you want to change, you have to start creating a new story, a new movie inside of you. And that will start shifting things and causing experiences to come your way that will create the life of your dreams. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over there, subscribe and like. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're interested in creating your own mind movie. I can even point a tool out to you. And by the way, since we're talking about growth and success, I've got a cool tool called the Profitable Progression Productivity Planner. It's an awesome planner. I'm including it below. You can grab it and use it and benefit from it. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.